Paano Guro OM Review? Week 1. What is the main goal of management? Who defined management as getting things done through other people? What is the function of planning in management? Which function involves assigning tasks and promoting harmonious work relations? What does staffing mainly focus on? In which management function are goals and strategies defined? What does the controlling function ensure? Which of the following describes efficiency? What does effectiveness mean? According to Peter Drucker, what is efficiency? Thank you. This is Jonah. Please like and subscribe this channel.